So welcome back, Manuel Rubio here with Miracle Body and Paint. So we're talking about Senate Bill 458, right? What does that mean? What is it? It's called the right to appraisal, RTA. It provides a consumer that holds a policy in the state of Texas the right to invoke the appraisal clause. And that there's usually often discrepancies between, what does it cost to repair your kitchen because some tree fell on it and damaged your kitchen and your bedroom, right, in your home. And you've got a contractor that needs, $79,000, right? And you've got ABC Insurance Company that comes in and tells you, well, we're at about $39,000. Well, hold on, that's like a $40,000 difference, right? So how do you get an objective opinion? You've got this contractor that comes really well referred. You've used him in the past. A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, excellent reputation, local to your community, whether it's Brownsville or El Paso or Dallas or Houston, like anywhere in Texas, right? And then you've got some person that shows up from some insurance company from who knows how many hundreds miles away to your little town or right here to San Antonio to come tell you that they only find $39,000, right? So where you're stuck, right? Well, you're not stuck anymore. You can invoke the appraisal clause. And I'll tell you that public adjusters are much better trained to be able to navigate through the repairs of your kitchen or navigate through the repairs of your new Chevy truck or your new Toyota Tundra or your new 4-door Lexus sedan vehicle you may be driving. And they can get into the nitty gritty and really find out what your vehicle needs and what your home needs. And then they can level off the playing field between your insurance company that wants to save as much money as possible and your contractor that wants to repair your home as perfectly as possible. So I'm going to get into that a little bit more at our next episode. So stay tuned and we'll continue this discussion.